Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream powder. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of powdered milk, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. For a delightful flavor, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. Make sure all your ingredients are dry and free of any clumps before you begin. Now, let's combine everything. Pour all your measured dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Use a whisk to thoroughly blend them together, ensuring an even distribution of all components. For the smoothest powder, I recommend sifting the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve to catch any remaining lumps. Proper storage is key to keeping your ice cream powder fresh. Once blended, transfer the powder into an airtight container. This prevents moisture absorption and maintains quality. Store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. When stored correctly, your homemade ice cream powder will stay fresh for up to 3 months. Ready to make some ice cream? To use your powder, simply mix 1/2 cup of the powder with 1 cup of cold milk. Blend this mixture until it's completely smooth, then churn it in your ice cream maker according to its instructions. For an extra rich and creamy texture, consider adding 2 tablespoons of heavy cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.